your tolerance for risk and also your habits. Like, you know you, and what would you do if you did term? What would you do with the extra money that you saved? Like, is term and invest the difference a reality for you? Because a lot of people, they like to say, just buy term and invest the difference. Well, a lot of people buy the term and then they don't invest the difference. And so at the end of the term, they're still in a bad position. Like, they didn't get necessarily into a place where they can self-insure, and now they don't have a death benefit either. There are ways to utilize IULs or whole life to give you the death benefit that you're looking for and the ability to do the investing that you need. So it doesn't necessarily have to be one or the other. And the way I typically view term is a straight expense. The only way it's not going to be an expense is if you actually die during the term. But if you don't, you just spent all that money and you didn't get anything out of it because there's no cash value growth from it. Now, one could say what you got out of it was the peace of mind, and possibly that allowed you to be more aggressive in your other investments. Okay, maybe so. Maybe so. But if we go with the IUL or whole life policy, you do get actual cash value growth. And if the growth in those is higher than it costs you to put into it, which that's how we design it. We design it with a very early break-even period, like 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 years, depending on the product and the design you go with or how you're funding it. It can break even pretty quickly, and at that point, you're dealing with house money. And you can borrow against that to do your investments still as well. So you don't necessarily have to choose when we're using those products. We can kind of do everything that we want to do, and it elevates our other investing, in my opinion. I hope you found value in today's video. If you'd like to find out more about IUL and whole life, check out these videos right over here, and we'll see you next time. Now go maximize your cash flow.